Okay, the next feature is a bit interesting. New features that we use the field documentation to be used for field attributes in JSON format. Like for example, I want to set the help attributes for the field, and or for example, the other one is the like for example the compute. You can set it here, the domain and the compute. For example, compute field is using this compute function as usual in Odoo specification, compute method for example, and so on and so on. This will be set up in the field attributes, right? But if we put the XML prefix here, it means that this attribute will be placed on the XML file, not on the Python file. For example, I can use XML domain. This will make the domains attributes placed in the XML file on that particular field. And also, for example, the widget attributes and all the valid XML attributes will be available now here in the JSON format. Let's go to the diagram. All right, for example, in the common add-ons, uh, let's say this class is inherited from the REST company, and then we have the level which is related to the company as well, and then we have the class means classroom. This one is related to company, and then related to the academic year. For example, the tahun ajaran is the academic year. So for example, I want this field is filtered according to the company. So I have to set the domain for this level, which is only registered under this company, right? The level is registered under this company, so I have to set the domain for this particular field. Now we can set the domain using the XML domain, which is the company, equal to the company which is this class is belongs to, and then the help, and also anything that is available in the Odoo fields definition is also available as well here, right? So the main point is that if we put the XML underscore prefix before the attributes, then it will be placed in the XML file, not in the Python definition file. Alright, so let's generate this add-ons, the common diagram add-on. Then let's generate this one, the common one. Okay, and then let's delete the previous one. Open. All right, so let's focus on the class, right? It's also mean classroom. Okay, so we go to the common, and then the model, and then class, this one. So we will have the level, right, with help attributes as select level, as we define in the this one, right? And then if we go to the XML file for this particular class, which called class, we go to the XML definition, right? This one, and then there we have the domain already created for us in the XML file for this class, right? So if we go to the add-ons and we install this add-on already, this one, okay, so we will have this add-on, the common one, and then we go to, all right, we go to the class, for example. Okay, and when we select this company, and then this level will be filtered automatically based on the level that this company have, right? For example, the SMA, we have 10, 11, 12, and then the SMP, we have the 7, 8, 9. While when we select the SD, then it will have the level 1 to level 6, Right. This definition is located here in the master data. So company SD will have 1 to 6 level, and the company SMP will have 7 to 9, and then the SMA will have the 10 to 12. And then we can easily filter this level using the domain, which is we define in the this class. The same will also applies to the academic year, which is the XML domain is which belong to this company. All right, so that is the second features that we have released in this version.